Hello students, welcome to this video, and in this video we are going to complete the play. This video could be long, but don't worry, I'll try to make it as brief as possible. Okay, and then we will start discussing the niceties and the nuances of the play in other videos. Okay, so that is when we start discussing the question and answers. So we are going to look at Act 5, Scene 1 of The Tempest by William Shakespeare. And you know what happened in the previous, if you have seen the previous video, you would remember that, Stefano, Trinculo, and Caliban are chased by the hounds, the hunting dogs. So they are not able to do any harm to Prospero. And Prospero also, consents to the wedding of Ferdinand and Miranda. Okay, so and we also saw a play within a play. Okay, in Act 4, Scene 1, and Act 4, Scene 1 is just one scene in the entire act. So there is no Act 4, Scene 2. Okay, so let us look at Act 5, Scene 1. Well, Ariel. It starts with Ariel reminding Prospero that it is almost 6 o'clock. So certain interesting things are going to happen, and the play is going to end. That it is 6th hour, that is 6 p.m. Okay, so which means that 6 p.m., which means that Ariel can stop working. Okay, and he has been asking for freedom from this work for 1 year. Okay, so Prospero knows this, so he acknowledges Prospero acknowledges Ariel's request and asks what the king, and that is King Alonso, and his followers are doing. So Ariel answers that according to Prospero's instructions. Okay, so Prospero instructed Ariel to do the following, and he has done it. That they are imprisoned in a grove. Okay, grove na top. Okay, in a grove, Grove. They are imprisoned in a grove. Okay, so in that grove, Alonso, Sebastian, and Antonio are they are very afraid. Okay, they are mad with fear. They are not mad, but they are very, very afraid. And Gonzalo is crying because he also thinks that he has committed some sin. That's what Ariel told, na? Ariel said that in the form of an eagle, it said that all of you have committed the sin of overthrowing the Duke Prospero 12 years ago. Okay, so this is what Prospero has ordered. According to Prospero's orders, Ariel has done all this. Okay, they are imprisoned in a grove, and this is what their reaction is. So Gonzalo is crying continuously. He feels very bad. So Prospero asks Ariel to release the men and bring them here. And bring them to Prospero. Okay, so this is how Act 5, Scene 1 begins. Okay, so let us go on to the next page. So what happens is he asks Ariel to bring the group, bring all the men, to release the men from the grove and bring them to Prospero, bring them here அப்படின்னு சொல்றாரு. So Ariel leaves and Prospero is alone. So when he is alone, he is addressing the audience. He delivers a soliloquy. A soliloquy is so this is another famous soliloquy that he delivers. Actually, many people compare this soliloquy. They see autobiographical elements in this. That is, Shakespeare is delivering this soliloquy. And so, he says that he has performed magic. Prospero says that he has performed magic till now. He lists all the tricks that he has done, but he has done enough. Now he is going to perform his last task. He is going to perform his last task, his last magic task, trick actually to be more precise, and break his staff, magic staff. அதுக்கு தானே அவரு கண்ட்ரோல் பண்றாரு எல்லாத்தையும். And drown his magic book. And never perform magic again. So many people think that this soliloquy, Shakespeare is, I'll write it here, never perform magic again on anyone. So he has done this till now. It's enough. I have done enough. This is Shakespeare speaking to his audience. Okay. And it is indicated that he will stop writing plays. But then, இதுக்கு அப்புறமும் 2 plays ஏதோ collaborate பண்ணார் அப்படின்னு சொல்றாங்க. We will talk about these nuances later. Okay. He will stop writing plays. அப்படின்னு அவர் சொல்றார். Okay. So once Prospero says this, I mean, he completes saying this, and then, so now Ariel enters. When he finishes his soliloquy, Ariel enters with the group of people, with the group of men that whom they have imprisoned. So yaarlam varanga, I'll write it here. Alonso, Sebastian, okay, Alonso. So I'll write here Alonso and his group and his companions. They enter, led by Ariel. Okay. Actually, அவர் இந்த soliloquy சொல்லும் பொழுது தன்னோட அந்த மேஜிக் ஸ்டாஃப்னால, ஸ்டாஃப்னா வேற ஒன்றும் இருக்கா, பெரிய தண்டம்னு நினைச்சுக்கோ. ஸ்டாஃப் இஸ் நதிங் பட் தண்டம். ஓகே, ஒரு பெரிய ஒரு தண்டம், that is like a stick. Okay. Alonso and his companions, they enter and they stand in a circle around. They stand in a circle, okay, made by Prospero. அவர் அந்த ஒரு கோடு மாதிரி கிழிச்சிருக்காரு, ஒரு சர்க்கிள் கோடு மாதிரி கிழிக்கிறாரு. ஓகே. சோ அதுல இவங்க எல்லாரும், it is very clear that they are all in a charmed state and they don't understand what is going on. ஒரு மாதிரி சித்த சுவாதீனம் இல்லாம இருக்காங்க. They don't understand what is going on. Okay. So they obediently stand there. Prospero speaks to them. But there is actually in the scene la எனக்கே ஒரு, I wonder why he should speak to them in this charmed state. Okay. So என்னென்ன சொல்றாரு நான் சொல்றேன். He praises Gonzalo for his loyalty. நீ என்னை காப்பாத்தி விட்டையே, கொன்சாலோ இல்லைன்னா அந்த போட் கிடைச்சிருக்காது, போட்ல இவரும் மிராண்டாவும் போயிருக்க முடியாது. Then what he does is he scolds the others, especially Alonso, his brother, and his own brother Antonio for treachery. ஏன்னா நீங்க கவுத்து விட்டீங்கல்ல, தப்பு பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னு. I don't understand this. Since they are in a charmed state, the group does not understand what is going on. They don't even realize that Prospero is speaking to them. What is going on? Okay, Harry Potterல இந்த மாதிரி எந்த கர்ஸ் கொடுத்தா, எந்த இது கொடுத்தா, மந்திரம் சொன்னா இந்த மாதிரி வரும் பாருங்க. ஹாரி பாட்டர் சீரீஸை பாத்தீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கே தெரியும். There is a curse which makes you charmed and you don't understand what is going on, but you will obey the orders. So adan inga nadakkuradhu. So then Prospero sends Ariel to his cell to get his clothes when he was wearing, which he was wearing as the Duke of Milan. And the clothes kondu va, just to, so Prospero wants to dress up like the Duke of Milan. Okay, Prospero wants to dress up like the new Duke. Actually, he deliberately wants to dress up like the Duke of Milan because that is how the others would remember him. Okay, so அந்த டியூக்கோட க்ளோத்ஸ்லாம் கொண்டு வா அப்படின்னு ஏரியல் கிட்ட ஒரு டாஸ்க் கொடுக்குறாரு. அவரும் போயிட்டு இது பண்றாரு. And then he says, Ariel, okay, and he gives when he gives it, Prospero says there is one more last task. Prospero says, but இதுக்கு அப்புறம் ஒரு டாஸ்க் கொடுக்குறாரு. So he says, I will grant you freedom. He wants to grant Ariel freedom, but you do one thing. You please call, bring those who are struck, who are with the ship. So on the boatswain, okay, bring those who are with the ship. In a ship ku onume agala. That is yarla, boatswain and the mariners. அவங்க எல்லாரையும் வந்து நீ வந்து கூட்டிட்டு வா. ஓகே, பிகாஸ் அடுத்தது இவங்கெல்லாம் நம்ம எல்லாரும் கிளம்பிடுவோம் அப்படின்னு அவர் சொல்றாரு. ஓகே, ஸோ வில் கோ ஆன் டு நியூ பேஜ். ஸோ இந்த ஆர்டர் கொடுத்த உடனே ஏரியல் கோஸ் அண்ட் fetches. Okay, he's going to go and fetch. Now Prospero is alone with the other, the group of people. So Prospero releases Alonso and others from the spell. So அவங்களுக்கு வந்து now they are able to understand. அவங்க யோசிக்கிறாங்க, where are we அப்படின்னு யோசிக்கிறாங்க. So now actually this entire thing was, I don't understand why this thing was done. Anyway, we will discuss that. Okay, because யாருக்குமே எதுக்கு ஒரு தடவை பேசிட்டு இன்னொரு தடவை பேசணும். Okay, so okay, then he Prospero, so they are all surprised. இது என்ன மேஜிக் இது அப்படின்னு யோசிக்கிறாங்க. Prospero speaks to all of them. So he forgives his brother Antonio. He forgives his brother Antonio for overthrowing him. And what he does is, okay, but he wants him to return his dukedom. He wants his dukedom back. அதனால மிலானோட கண்ட்ரோல் எங்கிட்ட இருக்கணும். Okay, he wants his dukedom back from Antonio. Okay, so Antonio is actually surprised and shocked. Antonio is so surprised that he doesn't speak anything, that he is dumbstruck. He is not able to speak at all. Just Caliban பத்தி மட்டும் Caliban பிரமாதமா இருக்காரு அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு அப்படியே விட்டுறாரு. Okay, then Alonso tells Prospero that he is missing his son. Okay, that his Ferdinand, his son, is missing. Okay, so he tells that. So and Prospero immediately says, so he says he lost his son to the tempest. Okay, that is the storm. But then Prospero says, I have also lost a daughter. இது வந்து figurative-ஆ சொல்றாரு. I have also lost a daughter to the tempest, which means மிராண்டா அவங்க தொலைஞ்சு போனாங்க. தொலைஞ்சு போல இந்த டெம்பஸ்ட் இவங்க ரெண்டு பேரையும் சேர்ந்து இது சேர்த்துருச்சு. Miranda and Ferdinand are now going to be husband and wife thanks to the tempest. Okay, Alonso is still Alonso feels very sad. He's not able to understand why Prospero says this, that he has lost his son. Okay, so Prospero, he removes a curtain, he draws a curtain, or curtain nagatito, he draws a curtain and draws aside a curtain, sorry, and shows and reveals Ferdinand and Miranda playing a game of chess. அப்போ அவர் கேட்கிறாரு, playing a game of chess. Okay, so Alonso is overjoyed. Alonso is overjoyed. Finally, his son is back. His son is back. So he's overjoyed. And he asks, இது என்ன மேஜிக், என்ன இது பண்றீங்க அப்படின்னு கேட்கிறாரு. So, and then he apologizes. He apologizes to Prospero. உடனே Prospero சொல்றாரு, அதெல்லாம் ஒண்ணு இல்ல, நம்ம சம்மதியாக போற மாதிரி சொல்லிடுறாரு. But Prospero has already forgiven. ஏன்னா அலோன்சோ என்கரேஜ் பண்ணி தானே அன்டோனியோ வந்து Prospero ஓவர் த்ரோ பண்றாரு. But Prospero has already forgiven Alonso. Okay, so Prospero has already forgiven Alonso. So Alonso is very happy. Alonso embraces, hugs his son and his daughter-in-law, and his daughter-in-law, who is going to be his daughter-in-law to be daughter-in-law, and he's the reconciliation is complete அப்படினு இவங்க ரெண்டு பேரும் ஒத்துக்கறாங்க. Now, okay, now in the same scene, the boatswain and the mariners appear, and now we learn that the ship is intact in the entire action. Okay, mariners arrive. Okay, the ship is intact, the ship is not damaged. In fact, on the between the storm and this scene and the last scene, okay, that is act 5 scene 1, 3 hours have gone by. Only 3 hours have gone by. So 3 மணி நேரத்துக்குள்ள இதெல்லாம் நடந்திருக்கு. Okay, so then Ariel is sent. Arielக்கு இன்னொரு டாஸ்க் கொடுக்கறாரு, to bring Antonio, sorry, Caliban, Antonio சொல்லிட்டேன், Caliban, Trinculo and Stefano. ஏன்னா அவங்களெல்லாம் துரத்திட்டு போச்சு அந்த நாய்ங்க, அவங்களையும் கொண்டுறணுமே. ஸோ ஸ்டேஜ்ல எல்லாருமே வந்துடணும். அலோன்சோ அவங்க குரூப் வந்தாச்சு, ப்ராஸ்பரோ, ஃபெர்டினாண்ட், மிரண்டா அங்க இருந்துட்டாங்க. போட்ஸ்வெயின் and the mariners come and declare the ship is not damaged அப்படின்னு சொல்றாங்க. வாங்க நம்ம கிளம்பிடலாம் அப்படிங்கிறாரு. Okay, so they come back, they come and they return the clothing, they return the stolen clothing. ஐயா மன்னிச்சிருங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு they return the stolen clothing. Okay, we'll take up a fresh page so that it's clear for you. So yeah, they return the stolen clothing and இவங்க அந்த clothing return பண்ணிடுறாங்க. Clothing return பண்ணிட்டோ. Now let's continue and see what happens. Almost we are at the end of the play. Actually அவங்க மூணு பேர் நல்லா தண்ணி அடிச்சிருக்காங்க. They are actually in a drunken state. Okay, so Prospero invites all of them for a party in the evening. Okay, for reveling, for a party. Okay, so and he wants Alonso and everyone and his companions to stay for the night and then leave the next morning. Avarum vararu to stay that night in his cell and then avarum na vandurren அப்படிங்கறாரு. Okay, so அந்த பார்ட்டில அவர் என்ன சொல்றாருன்னா, Prospero will tell the story of how he came to the island and spent the last 12 years perfecting his magic and making giving Caliban and Ariel tasks, etc. Okay, the next day they are planning in the morning. They will be going to Naples first, okay, where Ferdinand and Miranda are going to get married. Adu avanga othundranga. Ferdinand and Miranda are going to get married, and after that he Prospero plans to go to Milan, which is again in Italy, and spend the rest of his life thinking, okay, till he dies. Of course, the rest of his life nale till he dies tha. So where my every third thought will be about death அப்படிங்கறாரு, about my grave அப்படிங்கறாரு. So அத நம்ம அப்படி தான் இன்டர்பிரட் பண்ணிக்கணும். So this is what happens. So this is how the plan is. Okay, அன்னைக்கு ஈவினிங் இவங்க இந்த மாதிரி இது பண்ணிட்டோம், அடுத்த நாள் காலையில அவங்க கிளம்பி போய் and he plans to go to Milan and spend the rest of his days because he's going to get his dukedom back. Okay, so just before the party begins, I mean, Prospero gives one more task to Ariel. He says that Ariel should ensure that நாங்கெல்லாம் போறோம், அந்த ship then before setting him free, the ship should be on calm seas. நடுவுல வேற எந்த ஸ்டார்மும் எதுவும் வரக்கூடாது. calm seas ஓட நாங்க we should arrive home. So Prospero, okay, Prospero sets Ariel free as promised. Sets Ariel free. அவருக்கு ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமா போயிடுறது. Then with this the scene ends, but we have a short epilogue. Okay, epilogue is the last something like a conclusion. So Prospero speaks this. எல்லாரும் ஸ்டேஜ்ல இருந்து போயிடுறாங்க. Prospero speaks this. Okay, he says that I have lost my magical powers. I have lost my magical powers. So again, this is autobiographical. எனக்கு எழுத முடியல அப்படினா ஷேக்ஸ்பியர் சொல்ற மாதிரி. Okay, and he says, just as I imprisoned Ariel and Caliban, Ariel and Caliban நான் imprison பண்ணி வச்சு அவங்கள்ட்ட இருந்து வேலையை வாங்கினேன். In a similar manner, you have imprisoned me. Okay, he feels Prospero அது நம்ம imprisoned on stage. ஏன்னா நீங்க ஒரு ஜெயில்ல imprisoned on stage, okay, and imprisoned on stage by the audience. So he says, audience, please, the audience can release him by clapping. Okay, by applauding na clapping mattum illa. Okay, and tells them, and he tells the audience that his desire was to please them. This is very, very autobiographical. உங்களோட இதுக்காக தான். So this is Shakespeare speaking through Prospero. Okay, the epilogue that he delivers. இப்படி சொல்லிட்டு, okay, and he wants to be forgiven. அதான் தப்பு செஞ்சிருந்தேன்னா he wants to be forgiven. And let me read out the last lines from the play. Okay. Mercy itself and frees all faults, as you from crimes would pardon me. Na edha tappu senjana, I want to be forgiven for any crimes that he has done. Crimes na intellectual crimes. Okay. And he asks the audience to applaud. நீங்க கை தட்டி என்ன வந்து நீங்க ஃப்ரீ பண்ணி விடுங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்றாரு. So a quick look at what we saw. தாவத் சுபமஸ்து இதோட முடிஞ்சதா கண்ணா. Okay, so anyway, let us see where this act 1 act 5 scene 1 starts. So act 5 scene 1 begins okay, by Ariel reminding Prospero that it is 6 p.m. So Ariel can stop working very soon. Prospero acknowledges this and he says, look, go and get the group, Alonso and his group. So he goes and gets the group who have been imprisoned in a grove. And what really happens is they are actually in a very charmed state. Our kootindu varumbodhu, they don't understand what is going on. So this is what happens. And then in the Ariel, when actually our poi kootnu varadhukulla oru soliloquy deliver பண்றாரு, which is autobiographical and which connects with the final soliloquy delivered in the epilogue. So Shakespeare is saying that he is now not going to write anymore, he will stop writing plays அப்படினா ஒரு elaborate சொல்றாரு. And Alonso and his companions come, they are in a charmed state. He says all these to them, then the group does not understand what is going on. So he says, go Ariel, go and get the clothes that that I wore as Duke of Milan. Adha poi konandittu ivar dress போட்டுட்டு, and he says, go and bring those people who are part of the ship, the boatswain and the mariners. Then Prospero releases Alonso and others from the spell, so they understand where they are. And Prospero says he forgives his brother, but he wants his dukedom back. And Antonio is surprised that he's so surprised that he's not able to speak. Alonso tells Prospero, எல்லாம் சரிதான், I'm sorry, but என்னோட பையனை நான் இழந்துட்டேன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். அதெல்லாம் ஒண்ணும் இல்ல, நானும் என் டாக்டரை இழந்திருக்கேன் ஃபிகரேட்டிவா அவர் சொல்றாரு. It doesn't mean that Miranda is no more. So he means that Ferdinand and Miranda are now going to get married. He reveals them behind the curtain playing chess. They are playing a game of chess, and what happens is Alonso is he's overjoyed, and he feels that that he has been given a new life. And so he hugs his son and his daughter-in-law and apologizes to Prospero. So Prospero says that well, everything is forgotten and forgiven, no problem. And the boatswain and the mariners come and says that the ship is not damaged, naanga ship la irundom, onnu problem illa appdi sonnanga. 3 hours have gone by from the start to the end. So Ariel brings Caliban, Trinculo and Stefano, who are totally drunk, and they return the stolen clothing. And finally Prospero says that let us have a party and I'll tell you what happened in the past 12 years and how I survived on this island, etc. And as the last task that he gives Ariel is that the ship should sail on calm seas. When the ship sails, it should sail on calm seas. தேவையில்லாம எந்த இதையும் கலப்பக்கூடாது அப்படின்னு அவர் சொல்றாரு. ஏன்னா முதல்ல அவர் தானே கிளப்பியிருக்காரு, அந்த ஸ்டார்ம் ஃபுல்லா கிளப்பினது அவர் தான். So Prospero sets Ariel free. Ariel is free to go anywhere. And then Prospero delivers his epilogue. He has lost his magical powers. He says that please release me from this stage. This stage has imprisoned me. You have imprisoned me on the stage. Through Prospero, Shakespeare speaks, and he also says, please forgive me if I have done anything wrong. So with that, we complete the play. Please read the play. You have a lot of time. The exam starts only in the second week of February. We are only in the second week of January, 1 month to go. And I will be adding some more videos for revision and for the question and answers. Don't worry at all. I'll be sending the notes also very soon, within a day or two, so that you can start making use of that also. And we still have some, there is a paper called Professional English. It is not a very tough paper. It is only general English ஓட பார்ட் தண்டக்கன. அதுல இப்போ கொஸ்டின் பேப்பர் பேட்டர்ன் வந்துருத்தோ அதை நம்ம டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ண ஆரம்பிக்க போறோம் அடுத்த வீடியோல இருந்து. Thanks a lot and keep studying. Goodbye.